Okay, to install Winehq in Linux Mint 19, start a terminal. Type sudo apt remove winehq-stable wine-stable wine 1.6 wine-mono wine-gecko and Winehq. Next, type sudo dpkg -add -architecture i386. Next, type wget -q and a capital O, not a 0. Having trouble typing today. Then a space dl.winehq.org/wine-builds/winehq.key. Then a pipe sudo apt -key add space and a dash, and the 0 is invalid, so I need to fix that. Change it to capital O and good to go. Next, type sudo add -apt -repository cybermax-dexter/sdl2-backport. Press enter. Okay, next step, type these two commands. Sudo sh-c quote echo apostrophe deb https://dl.winehq.org/wine-builds/ubuntu/bionic main apostrophe, then two right arrows /etc/apps/sources.list.d/winehq.list and a quote. Then do sudo apt update and sudo apt install -install -recommends winehq-stable. Then just wait for this to finish. Yes. Okay, the last step is to check our version. Type in wine-version, and we're upgraded to Wine 5.0. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.